Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Excellency for Hanifida as the director of Pesantren SPK Hanifida, and excellency for all the teachers in the junior or senior high school, and for Mr. Munir as the headmaster of junior high school, and excellency for all my parents, for all my families in the house, and for all my friends that I loved. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jazira Salsabilani from 2nd grade junior high school. Today I will present about my immigration map about the cause of sneeze. What is sneeze? Sneeze is common reaction that simply and involuntary release of air experience allergies at cool. Then it can be cold and the injuries it causes dirt. It causes dirt, debris, and nasal sprays. And the sudden exposed to the bright light, nose trauma, or breathing cold air. And then the irritations in our nose, like throat, allergies, dirt, and dust. It helps the body to get rid. And then how the sneeze is reflect. There's two different things. Feels like we do, performing many steps. Irritation of muscle, sensed by cilia on cells. Receptors send signals via sensory trigeminal. Sneezing center is like lateral medulla, like spinal cord. Then before we sneeze, is pressure builds in chest, muscle compress in lungs, and the vocal cords close. So when we were flu, our voice will different like usual. And then the vocal cords when open, the air driven up, respiratory tract through the nose in the high speed. And your eyes will shut, and diaphragm moves upward, and releasing air lungs. Like that. How the sneeze is sneezed. Like that. Yes. I think enough for me. Thank you for your nice lecture. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.